Welcome to Study Physics. In this video we will be solving the problem 56th from chapter 12. So in this problem what is asked is three simple harmonic motion of equal amplitude a and equal time period in same direction combine. The phase of the second motion is 60 degree ahead of the first and that of third motion is 60 degree ahead of the second. By that time we have to find the amplitude of the resultant motion, so we can do it. So see, for phase A, it is for phase B, it is said that it is 60 degree ahead of A. So let us consider for A, means from the first simple harmonic motion, the time period and the amplitude for all the simple harmonic motions are same. So I will consider that A can be considered as A at an angle of 0 degree. So I will consider simple harmonic part from first as A at an angle of 0. I will solve like this. For B part, then it will be A at an angle of 60 degree. Why? Because second phase will be 60 degree ahead of B part. So I will write it like this. In the third, from the third simple harmonic motion, it can be written as A at an angle of suppose I have considered the amplitude as a small a, you can consider it as a capital A as well. So you can do in your own way. So here for the third part, it is saying that it is 60 degree ahead of the second. So 60 degree ahead of the second, by that time it will be A at an angle of 60 degree. So now what you can do is you can write A, and this, since this is in the polar form, so you have to convert it into rectangular form first. So how you will be doing is A cos 0 degree I cap plus of A will be here only. So again you have to write A sine 0 degree j cap. So you will write it like this. I will solve for this part at this position. So for from the B part, it will be like A at a cos 60 degree I cap plus of A at a sine 60 degree of j cap, and again I will solve this section over here so that I can add. That's why I am doing like this. So for the C part, I will be writing like A cos 120 degree I cap plus of A sine 120 degree, so 120 degree j cap. So you can see here for cos 0 value it will be 1, so here it will be A I cap and this value will be 0 only, and this value will be cos 60 degree, so by that time it will be 1 by 2. So this value will be, you can write it like 0.5 A, or in terms of 1 by 2 you write, no issue there. So you can write in your own way. So this is like this, and sine 60 degree will be like root 3 by 2. So let me write in terms of point. So it will be like I think 0.86. So it will be like 0.86 j cap. So correct only, and since this is in the second quadrant, so it will be negative value of this only. So it will be like this. Just to have a confirmation, I will check. So it will be like 0.5 only, and for the second part it will be again root 3 by 2. So this value will be j 0.86. So now in order to find the resultant value of these three, we will be adding all these value. By that time it is like this. So A, and here A is also there, so you have to write it like this A. So A value there, and it is like so resultant I can write like A net is equals to A I cap plus of this value is like root 3 by 2, and it has come 2 times, so I can write it like this. So the a net value can be evaluated as a I cap plus of so it is root 3 by 2. So let me write it correctly. So it is just again some confusion may come, that's why I am writing like this. So it is root 3 by 2. So this value and this value has gone, so this value you can write 1.732 j cap. So you can write it like a is again there, so you can write it like 1 in a outside and this root 3 into j cap. So you can do it like this. Now in order to have the magnitude value, what you can do here is under root it will be like a square plus of root 3a square, so it will be like 3a square, so it is just under root 4a square, so its value will be like 2a. So amplitude will be like 2a. Or if in this problem, since in the question only the amplitude given was like capital A, so you can substitute a small a as capital A, and by that time the answer will be like a net will be exactly equals to 2a. You can do it like this. So in this way we have completed our problem, that is 56. Now we will be